my Fabe, welcome to MaiMoments, the best channel for makeup and hair tutorial and also products review. As you can see, I am looking extra comfortable and looking bougie at the same time because it's Pamper Day. If you want to have a flawless looking makeup and also boost that confidence, you definitely need to have a beautiful skin. So we are going to review some of the products for skincare. And this is the products from Clinique. Just letting you know, I purchased all with my own money. Also, stay tuned at the end of the video and I will review which products that I like the most. So let's get started. So before we begin, I'm going to put back my baby hair using this headband. The three products that I'm going to review first is the makeup remover. It is so critical and important to take off your makeup at the end of the day. And the reason for that is going to help minimize the chance of getting wrinkle and clothing pore. Also, it's going to minimize the bacteria growing in your face, which cause pimple. Since Clinique make a different type of makeup cleansers, there is no reason why you should not over here have a chance to take off your makeup. This is so great for traveling because it's going to be grab on a go, and if you have a purse, you can definitely slide it in. For this one, you need a smaller size, but since it's liquid, it might going to fall over your purse or your luggage. I mean, people are not over here going to be careful with your luggage anyways. And then this right here, they do have a smaller size if you wish to carry this. As you can see, I did mark my face with 3 huge X's using this Stila Eye Liquid Liners. And this is a stay all day waterproof. It's a wonderful eyeliner. I'm going to test out which one that I like the most out of this 3 and which one is more effective and leaving my skin feeling great. So the first makeup remover I'm going to try is the cleaning balm. It felt like a candle wax, but whenever you touch it right away, it melts right into your hands. And we are going to use a circling motions like this. Hopefully it's gonna come out. It's very gentle on my skin. I'm not going to rub it hard, but as I can see, it did take a little bit more time in order for the products to break down. I'm going to use this cleaning cotton and wipe away. As I can see that it did take majority of it, and I felt that if I'm over here going to do the second time, it's going to take it off completely. Okay, and this products right here, you don't need to add any water yet unless you're over here trying to take it off, but it should able to break down the makeup. So if you're using this products under a sink, a running water, I'm pretty sure is more effective. So what I have here is a bowl of water, and I'm just going to dip my cotton in here, and hopefully is over here going to take it off completely. Oh, and it's also taking off my concealer. There we go. Hello to my pimple. So for this products, it did take all the makeup off very easy and also nice because I did not really have to rub hard against my skin in order to take it off, although it's waterproof products. So the next products is the Clinique Take Off the Day Oil. Just let you know, this have a lot of oil. If you're not a type of person that like anything oily, then this is not for you. Or even if you don't have the budget to buy this, you can always use the olive oil. It will work the same way. And so I did add some solutions into this cotton ball, a little rub, and it will come right off. So one tips that you can take away for today, if you're over here trying to fix your makeup, a teeny tiny spot on your eyeshadows, then go ahead and use this products and use a Q-tips and then fix it right away. You can definitely apply eyeshadows on top of it. If you were using this products, oh, forget about it. It's going to be horrible. Why? Oil break down makeup products, which means that it's not going to stick and it's going to spread everywhere. And if you only have this in hand, don't worry about it. You can definitely use waters and apply it on top, then go in with the eyeshadows. So the next product is going to be this Clinique White. Okay, I barely put any pressure on and it come right off. So as you can see here, I just using a gentle motions and the products come right off. So for this products right here, I do admit that it's going to be so convenient and beneficial, but just be aware if you over here going to leave it out or not close it correctly, then you're going to have a really dry towel that have no solution in it. So the next products that I'm going to try is Clinique City Block Purifying. Is have a turquoise day mask, and I'm going to scrub it all over my face. It did mention that avoid the eye perfect because I have makeup surrounding my eyes. So I'm not even sure that do you wear this for like 5 minutes or 10 minutes or just wash it off. I have no idea. It say is face mask. As you can see, some places have dried up and some places have not. So I'm just going to let into it dry up, and then I'm going to use water to take it off. So right now it's completely dry and hardened, and as you can see, like on my nose, I do have a lot of oil because I do have a combination skin. So I can see that those little bump is sucking out those like nastiness, dirt, and also oil on my nose. I'm pretty sure that if I was by the sink is going to be much easier, but showing you guys here, I'm going to use a cotton pad and dip in water to actually try to take it off. So after I rinsed out all the clay mask and able to save my eyebrows, that was a challenge. I just want to let you know that it did really clean off my skin. It took out all the dirt and impurity that's in there. Also, it took out my natural oil, so my skin right now is super dry. But before I'm going to add some of the products, I want to use the 7-Day Scrubs Cream. So right now I'm using the 7-Day Scrub Cream Rinse Off formula, and this one tell you to avoid your eyes as always. And I think this is very similar to exfoliating your skin, like using a scrub. And I feel this is much easier in some scrub that I have used because it's actually soft, and I like that more. So the next products, I do use it every day. This is the Clinique facial soap. I really enjoy this products because it have 3 different steps. If you have a dry skins, if you have a combinations or normal, then they do have specialized for your own skin. And I really enjoy this because it makes a lot of bubbles and it's not harsh against my skin, and it does not strip away my natural oil. So next, I'm using the Clinique ID Dramatically Different Hydrating Cleaning Gels Anti-Imperfections. There's as many different types that is targeting with your skin problem. For me, it's going to be Anti-Imperfections. So I'm just going to rub that all over my face. And I felt this property have not break me out, and it's actually helped my skins. If you are a type of person that have very sensitive skin, be careful with this because some people have said that they break out. So use it with a cautions. I really like this product because it's really thin. If I did not use the toners, I can skip on that, and it's really fast soaking into my skin. Finally, I am excited for this box right here because I see what I really love and enjoy. This is my favorite out of them all. I've been using this for a good 2 years now, and I love it, the feeling whenever I apply my skin, especially if you have really dry skin and it's almost peeling. Apply this and you feel so hydrated and so calming to the skins, and it lasts for 72 hours. Instant, right away, it make your skin feel really nice and hydrated. This is not like a moisturizers. Moisturizer tend to be extremely thick. This is going to be really good to apply in the morning because at nighttime you definitely want to help your skin restore and also help the moisture to lock in your skin, so you use a thicker paste. So for this product, it is so good to use it in the morning. And the weird thing is that if you don't use this product the next day, you skip out, you definitely know right away. Your skin going to be like, oh snap, I need some water. This is my first time using the Moisture Surge lips, and I can tell you right away that it's really soft on my lips, because my lips tend to be extremely dry, especially when I wear like lipstick all day or a lip gloss. So using this does help a lot, especially at nighttime. So this is another product that I have not tried. It's a Moisture Surge Overnight Mask. Oh my gosh. Wow. It's so nice on my skin. Oh, under my eyes. I'm gonna have like baby butt face, you know, if that makes any sense. It's like your skin is so soft like a baby butt. I like this products. I'm going to leave that on because you don't wash this first of all. And I'm not going to forget my lovely neck because that's also very important. So the last products that I'm going to use is the Moisture Surge Eye 96 Hour Hydro Fillers Concentrate, and it's in this little tube right here, but I actually have another one that is almost gone. I do try to use this every day, but sometimes I totally forgot. It's really nice whenever I apply it under my eyes, and it has such a great sensations whenever I'm applying it. Oh my gosh. After using these products right here, I have to conclude that it does not help with dark circle, but it helps with a lot to give a great moisture and hydration under your skin. Because it's extremely thin versus your natural skin, it needs a lot of love in certain products to help it, and I do enjoy these products for that purpose. But if you over here looking for like anti-aging or a target dark circles, use another products. Now is the final 3 that is my moment proof, and I definitely will buy it again. The first one definitely going to be Clinique Take the Day Off. It's so much easy to apply, take off my makeup without stripping my natural oil. The second products definitely be the 72-hour Moisture Surge. This is such an excellent moisturizer that keeping you hydrated throughout the day and your skin feel like a baby butt. Lastly, and the most important, to target the driest part of your face, which is your eye. So I definitely recommend the Moisture Surge Eye for a flawless looking eye makeup. I hope you found this video helpful. As always, love yourself, stay motivated, peace out. Oh, one more thing, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Love ya!